Hi colleagues, my name is Ngozi Imebog. I'm here to talk to you about professional dispositions, the roles teachers are to play, and the biased mind we teachers have against our students' expectations. First, what is professional dispositions? These are the values, commitments, and professional ethics that influence behavior towards students, families, colleagues, communities, which affect the students' learning, achievement, motivation, and the development. Going through the professional dispositions, we're bound to understand that there are roles teachers play towards improving learning, improving planning, practice, upholding professional expectations and ethics, as well as collaboratively advancing the profession. First and foremost, you just must understand that every learner is a potential achiever and must set high expectation for the child to achieve. With the knowledge of theory and practice in education, his methodology, assessments, the teacher can set goals that are realistic, achievable, positive, and proactive. The teacher himself must understand there are strengths and weaknesses in children and must know when and how to give them individual attention. Promote curiosity by giving students challenging questions, high-order questions. Give them activities to explore, to discover. Give them assignments or things in groups, activities in pairs that will arouse their curiosity. Students should be included in the goal, planning, instructional strategy processes because all these revolve around the students. The teacher professional ethical behavior and conduct matters a lot. It's not only in the classroom, but goes beyond that. It affects and influences the students. So we teachers must know how to relate with our students, must be appropriate and respectable to the students, the families, our colleagues, the community where we serve. We should be punctual in school activities, on time, with the right behavior, and try to advance our knowledge by going to schools to get more knowledge. Research work. We should try to belong in professional educational organizations. I myself, I'm a very dedicated and committed teacher. That's why I've enrolled in Masters in Education and Special Education, so to advance my knowledge and upgrade my status. I have compassion for my students. Usually, most times I try to discuss with them things that relate to their spiritual, physical, and career life. I'm honest in most of my dealings. I try to say what I mean and do what I say. I try to relate very well with my students. Most times I visit them, give them cross calls to their families and know how they are. I'm very fair in my dealings. But the only thing I need to improve is my advocacy. Most times I don't have time for my students. I try, but it's not enough. I don't even know their challenges and their problems. I need to work on that, and I don't know how to help them. There is biased mind we teachers have as to the expectations for our students, and that is very wrong. Most time when we teach, we expect the students must learn, they must grab the content there and there. And if they don't do that, we cannot even try to find other means or methods to help them understand or grab that knowledge or concept. So we have that misconceptions and biased mind that they don't know anything, and there's nothing they can contribute. If they raise their hand to say something, we don't want them to raise their hand because we feel that they don't know and they can try to contribute. So assumption is so bad. The assumption is so bad that it can even affect the relationship we have with the students and their families. It's very negative. We tend that their families don't know anything and the students don't know anything, and we don't allow the students have time to prove their worth. And these are very wrong. So let's think back that these are our children. We should know how to treat them well. Please, thank you for taking your time. That's all I have for you. Thank you.